Hello everyone! It's been forever since my last video and I miss you all so much. Thank you so much for continuing to watch Rice Cooker Baking with Life Pang. Today we have a simple recipe. And who loves banana bread? If you do, put a heart emoji in the comment below and make sure you like this video. As a reminder, I do have important tips and basic baking guideline at the end to help you be successful baking in your rice cooker, so do check that out. Don't overmix, just mix this until almost all the white flour are gone. This batter will be very thick. I like using parchment paper, but you can also grease it for easy removal. Only pour half the batter, spread it out and smooth it out by tapping it as needed. And then add the Nutella. I did warm this up in the microwave for 30 seconds. Just drizzle it on. And then add the rest of the batter and smooth it on top. Optionally, you can create a zigzag line with the Nutella. I'm just using the end of a spoon. Also, the full written recipe and instruction is always in the description box below. If you're not sure how to expand that, I'll put the video in the corner here. And also, just top it with any nuts you like, and if you don't want nuts, just skip it. Now cover with a paper towel to catch condensation and let's bake. So one bake cycle is about 5 minutes in cooked status with hot heat and 25 minutes in warm status with warm heat. Be sure to check the tips at the end for various rice cooker baking options. This is after 2 bake cycles, which is 60 minutes. And my toothpick is coming out clean, so we are done baking. Be sure to cool this for about 20 to 30 minutes. And don't forget, like and put a heart emoji in the comment if you love banana bread. And do share this easy recipe with everyone you know. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pang, and I'm so happy you are here. I try to upload a new recipe every Saturday, so make sure you subscribe to get notified of new uploads, okay? Oh, yummy-licious. And if you would like to see something bake in the rice cooker, go ahead and put your request in the comment below. So until next time, happy baking in your rice cooker. this is a fruit sweetness level. And a little update on our move. We closed down my son's apartment and heading to Guam. After 18 hours with a layover in Honolulu, we finally arrive in Guam. The views are just breathtaking. We rented a house, and if you want to view my house tour, I'll have a link in the description below.